Hi, Kevin.
Yeah, you could go to like an actual like bait shop, but I also gotta get ice.
We made it to the gas station. We had a damn holiday.
Money monkey.
We got some taquitos, we got the bait. What we got? Night crawlers, water,
Yeah,
ice, sunflower seeds, hell, fucking yeah. Back in the whip. Good taquito, man. I know.
It's shaking around.
Oh, that's funny.
Just find like bacon in the park. I get euros over there.
Stop walking around like y'all made threat. Fake Dracos all in the videos. We show you shoot.
Out here.
We next to the semiconductor factory, but don't worry, we're almost at the fishing area.
Blood on my shirt. Alright, we found a spot, everybody. Well, we could.
Oh
we could go down
shit,
to the
slip.
bank. Right there. There, yeah.
Fishing off of that. Or
Oh.
I just pulled up in a super. Fuck a laser pointer, I'm a laser shooter. You done talk too much, got a brain tumor. I don't tell a rumor, bitch, tell me truth. One tap, fun fact. Young Kev's on the track.
it was too shallow over there, so we're looking for a new spot.
So there's access to the, I think, a pond right over here. I don't know how good that is. And we have access.
Finally found a new spot. That thing's heavy as hell. Say hi, Katie.
Ball it off, come give me a stitch. I just pulled up in a super. Fuck a laser pointer, I'm a laser shooter. You done talk too much, got a brain tumor. I don't tell a rumor, bitch, tell me truth. I just pulled up in a super. Fuck a laser pointer, I'm a laser shooter. You done talk too much, got a brain tumor. I don't tell a rumor, bitch, tell me truth. I could never write nothing serious. My mind is too delirious. The government is hearing us. Punched in my head, I spilled my inner thoughts. But lucky for me, there didn't seem to be a lot. Among the pavement and rocks, yeah, it's scattered like roaches.
Update, guys. I caught a bunch of sunfish and Kevin caught one.
I caught none.
Big loser. We're gonna try a spot where we catch bigger fish.
Bigger fish to fry out there.
Shit looks beautiful. Damn. Done a lot of walking. Whoa. It's a bit muddy down here, but we're gonna hopefully catch something bigger. Well, despite my previous fishing luck, we're not catching much over here. Some ducks. But my thing also doesn't have a nut on it, so it keeps falling off and I keep losing it. It keeps going off like that, so I keep having to put it back on. Did it get tangled? My bad. I never got my hook untangled, so I got a new hook. Got a whole worm. Waiting to see what we can catch with this. Not much look around here, man. But I don't know. I guess it's supposed to be darker clocks and the line broke and we lost a bobber. There's a few muskrats over there, but other than that, we're done. Kaden?
No pictures. No autograph.
We're heading back. We've been walking for a while. So fucking far. from our car, so hopefully we'll find it soon. Update, y'all. We did the most grueling walk of all time. We're gonna die.
There's bugs all over my car.
We're gonna get food now.
One more time.
Get a burger. It's alright. That's the end of the vlog.
Bye-bye.